welcome back guys. I changed the project for the weekend. I'm with my friend Mathieu.
Yes.
Yesterday morning I found this recaro seat on the internet. The guy removed the airbag inside, so it's been about 2 hours. I changed the airbag from my original seat to the other one, so now I need to install it. First you need to remove the four bolt on the four corner, and after you have a big plug, you unplug it and you're ready to go. For the back seat you have 4 screw T40. Remove it and take out the seat. After removing the base, you need to fold the seat on the side. You see this white spot? Take a screwdriver and push it forward. When it's pushed all the way up, just pull. That's it. Right now I'm at my brother's house. So yeah, I will show you some tricks and tips about the airbag. I spent a long time to try to fit the airbag, but I will show you how I do. So maybe it will help you. So yeah, let's continue. When you go under the seat, you will unplug the airbag. Take out. Remove all the band and work the tissue down. When you have done to unroll the tissue, we'll see a red band. Take this off and you will see 2mm bolt right there. So you can remove the airbag after that. Remove the airbag and unplug it. So let's try to fit in the new one. If you want this to be easier, you can remove the 2 screws, the plastic, push and push. Zip, zap, zoop. It's the 4th day I'm working on the seat. Now I need to power the electronic motor and the heated seat. So I run down a wire in my fuse box in the trunk. So I run down the wire all the way right here. So I will plug the motor and I start another wire going right there for the control of the heat seat. I'm finally done with the seat. I needed to hurry up with the heated seat because the first snow came out. So like you know, the leather is pretty cold in the winter. I've started the project about a month ago. Like you see in the beginning of the video, it have no snow outside. I don't know why, but in few days, boom, the snow started to fall. And it was not that cold. So the first day I tried to figure how to put the airbag in the seat. It was the most difficult part, I think, but when it's done, it's pretty simple. After, I need to do the same thing with the passenger seat the next week, and I have the help of my brother to wire all the electronic, like the motor on the driver's side and the heated seat on both sides. It was a fun project. Like you see, the button is pretty cool, I think. It's like the Fast and Furious nitrous, but it's just a heated seat. You have the passenger side to adjust the temperature and the driver's side right there. So yeah, it came out pretty good, I think. thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and a sneak peek for my next project.